At first glance, these two laser cleaning technologies seem almost the same. But in reality, they solve completely different problems. Continuous laser cleaning is built for high-efficiency rust removal, while pulsed laser cleaning is designed to preserve the original surface. In this video, we'll explain the key differences. The fourth quarter intensity was electric. Players battling through contact, coaches challenging calls from the sidelines. But it wasn't just about the scoreboard, it was about respect on the court. The officials' inconsistency had everyone talking, from fans to analysts. The operation is straightforward. After powering on the machine and setting the cleaning parameters, the operator can begin the cleaning process. As the laser moves across the surface, rust is removed rapidly. Continuous laser cleaning offers excellent efficiency, especially for steel structures, heavy machinery, and industrial components with thick corrosion. For applications where cleaning speed is the highest priority, continuous laser cleaning is often the preferred solution. It is commonly used in manufacturing, steel processing, equipment maintenance, and shipbuilding industries. Continuous laser cleaning is designed to remove heavy rust quickly and efficiently. But is speed always the most important factor? Let's take a look at pulsed laser cleaning. Unlike continuous laser cleaning, pulsed laser cleaning is designed for a much wider range of applications, from delicate wood surfaces to painted metal, stone, and oxidized parts. It removes unwanted contaminants while preserving the original material. This makes it an ideal choice for precision cleaning. Let's take a closer look at one real application. Here's a real example of pulsed laser cleaning on wood. After selecting the appropriate parameters, the cleaning process begins. As the laser scans across the painted wood surface, the paint is removed while the natural wood grain remains clearly visible, making pulsed laser cleaning ideal for precision surface restoration. Continuous laser cleaning and pulsed laser cleaning are designed for different applications. Continuous laser is ideal for heavy industrial rust removal, while pulsed laser cleaning is better suited for applications that require precision and surface preservation. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right solution for your work.